My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches.
We have Yeezy 500s dropping on foot sites. That was fast. Oh my god. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, I got a lot of checkouts. That's basically more than I wanted, but it's okay. I would say maybe like 20% of the orders got canceled.
We have the Yeezy 350 breads. We gotta hope that we get a lot of these.
Let's go. That's why I'm not checking out on Yeezy Supply.
Tomorrow, we do have some very colorful Jordan 1s dropping. Are we going to be able to get our hands on those as well? We're gonna have to find out on the next episode.
This is Kiko.
It ended up being that no Shopify websites dropped them, as far as I know. Even the usual ones, they get all the hype releases. So the only chance that I had was through Nike Sneakers app, and you know how that goes. Nike Sneakers usually don't show me any love, but today we do have another release. We have Dunks. I believe these are going to be a bit easier to get, although these are still going to be limited, although not as limited as the Jordan ones. So I'm hoping to get at least one. That would be really cool. Come on. There we go. Boat. That's not a boat. Bro, I suck at these. Boat. It's not a boat either. Is that it? No way. Okay, let's go. Bro, they're just stuck on checkpoint found.
Unfortunately, Balco failed on the initial Kith drop. It looks like they're still trying to adapt to Kith's new anti-bot measure, but they did say they figured out the problem and they are ready for the next drop. However, we didn't come out of the day empty-handed. We got a bunch of Jordan 1 lows, and these lows in particular, depending on the size, is actually comparable as far as profit margins to the Dunks, which is kind of crazy to believe. You would never think that Jordan 1 lows profit margins would be anywhere near Dunks, which are very difficult to get, very hyped up, but it's true. As of right now anyways. It depends on when you're watching this video. Prices obviously fluctuate up and down between many different sneakers. Out of all of these checkouts, I believe only 3 or 4 survived. The rest of them got canceled. All these retailers are getting more and more strict, but nevertheless, I'm pretty happy about the result. Bunch of Yeezys came in the mail today. This is my first time having these Yeezy 350 breads in the hands. Nice, simple, iconic. These are great. I have a bunch more on the way, but I do believe this is going to be a very long hold, unless of course they start restocking them like crazy. But regardless of whether they do that or they don't do that, these are still very excellent profit margin shoes. So I'm pretty glad I was able to scoop up a bunch of them. But anyways, tomorrow we do have a very hyped up release. We have some Dunks, I believe, dropping. It's mostly just going to be Shopify websites dropping them. so I am going to be using Balko. Hopefully they were successfully able to adapt to anti-bot changes. Can we even get 1 W? We'll see.
What? Oh, this one might go through. Oh my god! Finally I got something! I might even get another one. Yo, Cyber just ate. Yo, some of these kids hitting like 20 clips. Cyber was just my backup bot. Let's go. Even though I copped 3 sneakers, I am still super washed on Shopify right now. I'm really trying to make Balko work out, but the Gmails that I had in the bot is just trash. Like, I'm swapping them out now. Hopefully the captures aren't as hard as before. Today we do have Jordan 11s dropping. Profit margins on these aren't crazy because the stock numbers are super duper high. I'm not going all out for these. I'm only planning to get anywhere between 10 to 20 pairs, but otherwise this is kind of just like a practice run. So far I've copped one of these in my size using Soul AIO about 30 minutes ago, but I will be using Balko throughout the remainder of the drop.
Let's go.
Balko went crazy just now. Alright, that drop was pretty easy. One thing that I am very surprised about though is the amount of cancellations I got. I didn't get as many cancellations this time as I did for the Easy 350s. For the Easy 350s, about 70% of my orders got canceled, but this time it's more around like 50%. However, I've been seeing that some people hit 100 clips, sometimes even 1,000 clips, and got all of them canceled except for a few. That's insane. Imagine hitting like 500 shoes and then 495 of them gets canceled. That sucks for them. Thankfully, that's not what happened to me. I don't remember the amount of checkouts I got. I think it's around 40 to 50 checkouts, and I'm almost sure that around 20 of them are going to ship out, so I'm pretty happy about that. Anyways, a few of them came in already. Oh my. Best way to describe these are that these are just super duper clean. When my size comes in, I'm definitely keeping one for myself. Coming up this week, it is rumored that Supreme box logos are dropping again, and we also have some Sakai's dropping on that same day. And on Saturday, we have some very beautiful dunks dropping. That would be really dope if I could get those. But am I even gonna get any of the things that I just said? I don't know. We'll find out on the next episode.
I can't take this damage, that's the reason I left. I've been running in circles, I don't know where I stand. Are you going to fix it, bad and good? Are you going to mix it up? For one time I'll listen, let your words take home.